Hey everybody, Jason Hubbard here with eXp Realty. Thank you for joining me again on my channel here as we tour around the valley looking at new construction homes, making your life a little bit easier as not all of us have time to go out and look at every single model home to find the home that you're looking for. Today we are out in Santan Valley. We're at Mattamy Homes. We're in Pinnacle at Santan Heights. This floor plan here we're going to take a look at today is called the Sienna floor plan. So this floor plan that you see here behind me is 2,286 square foot. Of course, it's a two-story home, as you can see. It does have 3 bedrooms, a flex room, a loft, 2.5 bathrooms, and a 2.5 car garage. There's 3 different elevations for this. You have a Spanish, a desert modern, and a ranch elevation. Let's go ahead, go inside, take a look at it, and see what you think. Okay, as we finish up here at the Sienna plan, we'll take a look outside and see what the lot has to offer. Just want to mention that this property here is located in Santan Valley. It's right off of Hunt Highway, and this is a Mattamy home, and it's called Pinnacle at Santan Heights. We are in the Sienna floor plan, which is 2,286 square foot, 2-story home with 3 bedrooms, a flex room, a loft, a 2.5 bath, and a 2.5 car garage. One thing I want to remind you is you want to bring your real estate agent out here with you when you come out here. People are super nice in the sales office. I had great conversations with them. They have really good incentives going on right now. These incentives are amazing. However, they are cutting them back starting at the end of the month. So reach out to me if you have any questions. You can comment down below. You can reach me at 480-588-2281. Some of these incentives you don't want to miss out on. They're offering huge incentives to buy down the rate, but they're also giving you money to pay your closing costs and do all kinds of stuff with. So reach out to me if you have any questions. Thank you again for joining me. Again, this is a Sienna floor plan here at Mattamy Homes in Santan Valley. Have a great day.